Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I'm in the house with a beautiful, beautiful piece. This is the Peter Rassenti Small NIrvana 3.0 custom knife. It's a beautiful little guy. 7-inch overall length, 4-inch handle, 3-inch long blade, titanium integral stone washed handle, gorgeous mokutai collar clip. Fantastic fit and finish, guys. This blade is CPM 154 steel, 3-inch long, beautiful drop point hollow grind blade. Sound is, guys, this is the NIrvana sound. It is beautiful, very, very nice. The clip is milled out from a solid chunk of titanium. It's a little bit on the stiff side. The weight is going to be 3.2 ounces. Pretty nice ergonomic handle, nice grip going on. The jimping is very aggressive and absolutely functional. This is still brand new, so still has to break in. There's no guillotine effect, but drop shot as soon as you disengage the lock bar. Really, really cool deployment going on. Runs on washers, but hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.